Okay, you guys, let's try this today. What we're going to do is we're going to title it Day 115 Standard Method. Multiplying fraction by fraction. So, yesterday we did the fraction 1 1/3 times 2 1/4. So, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up to 1 1/3 times 2 1/4. Now, I set it up this way because I want to show you if we are doing, say, 14 times 21, what we would do is we would do 1 times 4, we would do 1 times 10, because really that 1 is not a 1, it's actually a 10 because it's in the 10 spot. Then we do 20 times 4, then we would do 20 times 10. We would get 4, 10, 80, and then we get 200. We add them up together, and we get that. Just like we do here, we have to do this. When we look at this, it's easy to say, okay, 1 times 2 equals 2, and then 1/3 times 1/4 equals 1/12. And then our answer would be 3 1/12. But we can't do that because we are forgetting to multiply some of the other factors or parts of it. So this, what we're going to do is we're going to do 1/4 times 1/3 equals 1/12. Then we're going to do 1/4 times 1 equals 1/4, because we know 1 times anything is itself. Then we're going to do 2 over 1 times 1/3 equals 2/3. So I did 2 times 1/3. And remember, we can put a whole number over 1 and it doesn't change its value. And then we're going to do 1 times 2 equals 2 wholes. So what I did is I did here, then I did here, then I did here, and then I did here. So now I have multiplied all the values to each other. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1/12 plus 1/4 plus 2/3 plus 2 wholes. I know my common denominator is going to be 12 because I normally go with the denominator I get when I multiply the two fractions together. We talked about this, and this was in the bottom right-hand corner the other day. So now I'm going to do 1 over 12 plus something over 12 plus something over 12 plus 2. I'm going to say, how did 4 become 12? That's times 3. So when I do the bottom, I'm going to have to do the top. So 1 times 3 equals 3. Then I say, how did 3 get to be 12? Well, 3 times 4 equals 12. So I'm going to do 2 times 4 equals 8. Now I have common denominators, and I can add them together. 1 plus 3 plus 8 equals 12 over 12. And then I'm going to do plus 2. I know when the denominator equals the numerator, I have 1 whole. So now this looks like 1 plus 2, and my answer will be 3. So I now have gotten the same exact answer as I did yesterday. I have just used a different method. So now you have 2 methods which you can use to multiply mixed numbers by each other. Tomorrow we're going to learn the last method to multiply mixed numbers together, and that's probably the method your parents learned and the method that I learned as well, but no matter what, it will get us the same answer. Thank you so much. Bring any questions back to class that you may have.